This is the Windows Club. Do you want to install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. Things you need before starting. Before we begin, make sure you have these things ready. First, you need the official Windows 11 25H2 ISO file. Next, you need Rufus, which we will use to create the bootable USB drive. And finally, you need a USB flash drive. You can use at least an 8GB USB drive, but a faster USB 3.0 or USB Type-C drive will make the installation process much quicker. Also, make sure you back up your important files before starting, because a clean installation can erase your data. Download Windows 11 25H2 ISO file. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Windows 11 download page. Scroll down until you find Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. From the drop-down menu, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Click Confirm. Now select your preferred language. Here we are selecting English, United States. Click Confirm again. Now click 64-bit download. The ISO file is around 7GB. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take some time. Download Rufus. Once the ISO download is complete, head over to the official Rufus website. Download the latest version available. Rufus is a small portable tool, so you don't need to install it. Just download and open it. Create Windows 11 25H2 bootable USB. Connect your USB drive to your computer. Open Rufus. Rufus should automatically detect your USB drive under the device section. Now under boot section, choose disk or ISO image. Click select and choose the Windows 11 25H2 ISO file you downloaded. Keep these settings partition scheme: GPT, target system UEFI, file system NTFS. You can also give your USB a name under volume level. Now click start. Bypass Windows 11 hardware requirements. This is the most important part. After clicking Start, Rufus will show the Windows user experience options. Here, make sure you enable remove requirement for 4GB plus RAM, remove requirement for secure boot, remove requirement for TPM 2.0. These options allow Windows 11 to install on unsupported PCs. You can also enable remove requirement for Microsoft account. If you want to create a local account, if you don't want Windows to ask privacy questions during setup, enable disable data collection. Click OK. Rufus will now create the bootable USB drive. This usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Boot from USB drive. Once the USB is ready, connect it to the PC where you want to install Windows 11. Restart your computer. When the system starts, repeatedly press the boot menu key. The key depends on your manufacturer. You can check the user manual or visit the manufacturer's website. Select your USB drive from the boot menu. Make sure you choose the UEFI version of the USB drive. Press enter. Start Windows 11 Start Setup. Windows Setup will now load. Choose language, time and currency format, keyboard layout. Then click Next. Select Install Windows 11. Accept the license terms. Now we reach the most important part. Where do you want to install Windows? You have two options here. If you want a clean start and do not need the existing data, identify your main internal drive. Usually disk 0 is the internal SSD or HDD. Do not delete anything from the USB drive. Delete the partition on your Windows drive until you see unallocated space, then select it and click New, then Apply. Windows will automatically create required system partitions. You can use the remaining space to create a separate data partition. Select your Windows partition and click Next. If you already have drives like D or E with personal files, do not delete anything. Find the partition where Windows is correctly installed. Usually, it is a system or primary partition. Format only that partition. Your other data partition will remain untouched. Click Next to start installation. Windows installation process. Now Windows will start copying files and installing. The process usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Your computer will restart several times. After reboot, continue with the setup. Because we created the USB using Rufus, many restrictions like Wi-Fi requirement, Microsoft account login, privacy questions may already be skipped. First boot and final checks. After a few moments, you will reach the Windows 11 desktop. Now check settings, then system, then about and confirm that Windows 11 25H2 is installed. You can later sign in with your Microsoft account from settings and then accounts. If you want, also make sure to install Windows updates, chipset drivers and graphic drivers and other drivers for the best performance. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.